Hello, I'm Sean from Cask Woodworking and welcome to my first video of 2021. This one's going to be a little different. We're actually not doing any woodworking on this one, but it's somewhat kind of related. As most people that, maybe have a side hobby or like to tinker in the garage, sometimes the vehicles, like in this shop, don't actually park in the garage. However, my wife would love to park in the garage just with how cold it is in where we live in this part of the world. With that, I'm going to show you a product that I'm partnering with. It's a product by Perfect Surfaces. It is basically a mat that you drive over and it collects all the grime and everything, and we'll be installing that in the garage and moving my stuff kind of out of the way so that my wife can park in the garage without getting anything on the actual floor of the garage. So with that, I will show you what we're going to do. As you can see in this garage, it is full-on woodworking mode. So what we're going to do in this space over here on the right-hand side is we're gonna put the mat in this area. What I'll be able to do is actually move all of this woodworking material and shop space over to the left to make room for my wife to park. So, Perfect Surfaces, they are a flooring solutions company, and this Gorilla mat, I'm gonna open it up. I have not taken it out of here, so we're going to do this right out of the get-go. There's not much to it. There's no setup, which looks really awesome, but now we've got to make space for it. So I'm going to start moving all this material back, and we'll get this set up. Well, there you have it, a simple garage mat in the shop, and it allows me to have a much more cleaner work surface by pulling it out and ensuring that when I do my woodworking, that the floor surface and everything in the garage is clean. So you don't have to take my word for it. Check out what my wife has to say. Okay, how happy are you?
Very happy. She's so warm.
Well, there you have it. It's a simple garage mat. Well, there you have it. There's a simple garage mat